In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. Then launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then to access its settings, click at the top left corner. After hitting consent. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to. And go back by clicking on the top right corner. Then bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, yes. And finally set wallpaper. Last but not least, just decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!